Alright, to begin, you're going to want to start with a magic circle and chain 1. Then you're going to want to make 10 half double crochets inside the magic circle. Next, you're going to want to pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first half double crochet, then chain 1. After chaining 1, you're going to make 2 half double crochets in each stitch around, and then when you get back to the beginning, slip stitch to the first half double crochet you made. That will leave you with 12 stitches. And like I said before, make sure you slip stitch to the first half double crochet of the round, and then you're going to want to chain 1 and put 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, and then in the next stitch after that put 1 half double crochet, and repeat that all the way around. So 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet. At the end, slip stitch to the first half double crochet you made. And this is your last round for your saucer. You're going to chain 1, put 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, and then in the next 2 stitches you're going to put 1 half double crochet. So repeat that all the way around. You're going to put 2 half double crochets, then 1 in the stitch after that, and 1 in the stitch after that, and repeat that all the way around, and then slip stitch to the first half double crochet of the round. And that is the end of the saucer, so you can cut your yarn and fasten off. Next, for the teacup, you're going to want to make a slip knot and chain 20. Next, you're going to want to go back to the first chain you made and slip stitch into it to make a loop for your teacup. Then you're going to just want to make 5 rows of half double crochets in the round. So you're going to begin with a chain 1, and you're going to start in the first chain and make a half double crochet, and then all the way around you're going to make 1 half double crochet in each chain. Then at the end you're going to slip stitch to your first half double crochet, and then chain 1 and make another round of half double crochet. In all, you will have 5 rows of half double crochets. So after you finish with your saucer, we're just going to make a quick handle for the side of your teacup. You're going to chain 7 and start in the second chain from the hook and make a single crochet, and then you're just going to single crochet all the way down and cut your yarn and fasten off. That's all you need to do for the handle. Now you're going to sew your teacup onto the saucer. Just go around the bottom of the teacup, sewing it to the top of the saucer. Also, do not forget to sew your handle on. And there is our finished teacup. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.